This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential prerequisites and then take immediate action. First, check volume, mute, and do not disturb so the device can produce sound. Next, open the alarm app and confirm the selected sound and repeat schedule, because a silent tone or misset repeat often causes no audible alarm. Once done, restart the device to clear transient audio locks. This resets drivers and app permissions. After restart, set a 1-minute test alarm to verify the sound plays. You now trace the audio path and app behavior to find the deeper cause. Start by ensuring the alarm app has notification and background permission so the system can launch it at wake time. Without that, the alarm may fire silently. Then inspect output routing. Disconnect Bluetooth or headphones and toggle speaker output, because routed audio can send sound to an unreachable device. Also change the alarm tone to a known good file or default. Corrupted tones fail silently, so swapping proves whether the file is the issue. You finish by applying decisive fixes and a single troubleshooting tip. First, clear the alarm app cache or reinstall, because stale caches can block playback. Then update the operating system to pick up audio driver fixes. Reset sound settings to defaults and reassign tones, and enable vibration as a backup while you test several alarms to confirm reliability. If problems persist, back up data and perform a factory reset. If you cannot reset immediately, use an external alarm device as a reliable temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.